This is an unboxing of a Lenovo X1 Yoga Gen 8. It's the USB-C power adapter here. It's the 65 watts. Comes in the fancy box like all the X1s do. Some papers. We'll go through the ports here. This is just the stylus pen here. Combo audio port. One USB-A, Kensington lock slots. This one's the one that can charge your devices while this is plugged in as well. Two USB-C over here. Another USB-A and a full-size HDMI. Just the fan slots on the back. At the front, on the bottom, a reset hole over here, and that is really it. This one's got the quad mic array at the top. And then the webcam with the privacy switch there. Same touchpad and keyboard as all the other Thinkpads with the fingerprint reader up there. And that's it.